Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y22s, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to power it down. So let's hold power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. Now you'll feel a vibration, at which point you want to let go of the power key. From here, using volume keys, select second option, recovery mode, and then confirm it with power key. Give it a moment for it to boot into the recovery mode, where we will find our cache wipe option. So there we go. So here you want to select clear data, and then clear cache, confirm by selecting OK. And that's it, cleared. So let's select return, back arrow, and restart, which will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.